Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Gemini app and automate study summaries, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Gemini app, start by opening the App Store on your device. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. If you are on an iOS device, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Gemini and press enter. Locate the Gemini app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Click on the Install button if you are using Android. If you are on iOS, tap the Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once installed, open the Gemini app by tapping on its icon. Upon launching the app, you'll be guided through an initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You may need to verify your email address or phone number during this process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. To automate study summaries, look for the feature that allows you to upload documents. This may be labeled as Upload or Import. Select the documents or notes you wish to summarize. Once uploaded, the app will analyze the content. After the analysis is complete, you will receive a summarized version of your study material. You can save or export the summarized content as needed. Explore additional settings to customize your summary preferences. This may include adjusting the length or focus of the summary. If you have any questions, check the help section for further assistance. Now you are ready to effectively use the Gemini app for your study summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.